We're at Union Station. At this point, the conductor is spotting the train so that the ramp will line up across the way. And we'll get the ramp out.
Have a nice day. All right, have a good day.
Thank you. Thanks, Henry. We'll see you next time.
Yep, have a nice day.
And then you come off. Now, at Union Station, it's a little bit unique. There's two ways you can go to the center of the lobby. You go down this road to the left, and there's a ramp that goes to the outside elevator and the entrance to the main hall. Or you can come down this way, and there's a ramp. You can see everybody's off the train. This is the last stop, so everybody had to get off. Now I'm going to drive this way, and you'll see there's a ramp that goes right down the middle. Now, as you approach this ramp, you want to be very careful. There is a slight downgrade to the tunnel, and it is a little bit treacherous if you're not careful. Now, at the end, you're going to find there's a left or a right decision here. Depending on which direction you want to go in the city of LA determines which direction you want to go. I do have another video that explains all the different destinations from the Union Station. So look for that video to give you more detail.